Are you looking for the best vlogging cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best vlogging cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sony A7S. This type is specially designed for filmmakers. It's amazing video quality that even works in low light. It's one of the handy cameras that can shoot 4K. Sony has worked for the filmmaker's needs. It has best video capabilities. It is very impressive and handy. It has interchangeable lens. It has CMOS frame. It has 12 megapixels of camera. It has 3-inch touchscreen display. Its specifications include sensors, frame CMOS, megapixels, 12 MP, display screen, 3-inch touchscreen, resolution, 4K, headphone jack, 3.5 mm. Number 2. SpyPoint Force Pro camera. A beast in itself, that also houses a 30 MP camera and also supports 4K video shooting. This camera automatically knockouts a lot of its competitors just based on its ability to shoot with 4K and 30 MP lens. Another no-brainer is the amount of 128 SD card that it supports for extendable storage. 1.5-inch LCD screen provides the option to view the captures and video to be seen on spot. With 950 nanometers, it has the ability to illuminate any animals that passes through its vicinity. The trigger time of 0.2 seconds increased the chances of it getting sold more to its competitors. The biggest drawback that this device possesses is that the availability of 4K is only restricted up to 10 frames per second. Number 3. SpyPoint Solar Dark. Another SpyPoint introduced device. The merits of this device are that it has the ability to record long videos. It has the 2-inch LCD, which proves better in being a displaying unit. It is audio recording supportive, which just adds to the fun, as voices of animals also tell a lot about their behavior. The biggest attribute of this device is that it has solar panel option, it has charged batteries option and can be run on lithium battery. It is in true meaning a last-longing device. Another positive attribute is the 0.07 trigger speed, which makes it a hot prospect for those who cannot wait longer. An 80 feet night vision with 12 MP equipped camera may do the job, but it doesn't provide truly HD results, which itself may be a demerit for premium customers, but for average use it is a bestseller, especially in US. Number 4. Browning Strike Force Sub Micro. This device is the best budget-friendly device that provides the quality HD photos. The brand of Browning is a trusted name for the provision of quality goods and reliable hardware. Another plus point is the compactness that increases the durability. A 10 MP shooter does the job satisfactorily to provide good quality photos at night and in daylight. The storage is extendable up to 32 GB. This is purely for the photo capturing centric device. Number 5. Cam Park Camera. Cam Park Camera is also an addition to the list because of its gutsy features. It has 20 MP camera setup that can capture stunning photos. It is waterproof, infrared flash enabled. Additionally has solar power connection, which is environment friendly. It comes equipped with its accessories, which is added advantage as you would have to buy a mount separately. The biggest advantage of this gadget is the Bluetooth connectivity that increases the efficiency and decreases the amount of recoiling done to get it ready on daily basis. Number 6. Bushnell Prime Low Glow Camera. This is a budget camera which offers 24 MP camera sensor with a cheaper price point. The camera offers HD resolution at the 60 frames per second rate. It has audio recording in the features and has detection range up to 80 feet, pretty ordinary storage with 32 gigabits extendable option. The device is powered by 6 AA batteries. Fast trigger velocity, cheap price tag and HDR are the reasons which entice consumers towards this product. It is a complete package in a nutshell. The most basic demerit that this product has is the absence of wireless connectivity.